Hi guys, I am back with the Gel Polish Mini. So Nail Reserve had sent me over another box of polishes. So thank you Nail Reserve for continuing to support my channel and sending me products to try. And so I'm just on boxing the polishes here. This box came with 8 polishes. I couldn't find on the site where it was part of a specific collection, but you guys know I love me some Nail Reserve gel polishes, and they were formerly known as Nail Addict, and I do have some of their old polishes with Nail Addict, the branding on there, but they have changed their name from Nail Addict to Nail Reserve. So let's get into these polishes. And so what I've seen with a lot of companies is they're starting to put the color on the top of the handle of the bottle, which I do like, but I still end up swatching the polishes. And so guys, if you have difficulty gripping or opening your bottles, make sure you keep a rubber band handy. So this color is Meteor, a nice shade of gray. The next color that we have is pretty as hell, a nice type of purple, like magenta color. These are all cream except for one, I think, of polishes. That's very, very pretty. The next one is a Velvet Witch, which kind of reminds me of like a cinnamon type brown or brick, excuse me, color. Really, really pretty as well. Again, you guys know I love me some Nail Reserve polishes. The next one is Freedom, which is, listen, blue is my favorite color. That blue, when I opened, I was like, oh, that's it. Now on the picture, it doesn't look blue, but it is like a blue, depending upon the lighting, it can look blue or purple. This color is Temptation, a nice pink. It was kind of like a light hot pink almost, so to speak. It was kind of hard to pick up with my light and on camera. And then coming up, we have Hottie Me, which is another nice shade of pink. Lately, I've been into pinks. Pink is not even my favorite color, but I've been liking some pinks now. Hottie Me, again, this reminds me of more of a Barbie pink, or in that Barbie pink family. This color is Secret Lover, another lighter pink. That was the lightest pink in the package. Really, really light, and again, it was hard to pick up on camera. So I read an article on Birdie that was saying that neutral colors were in this season, so that would kind of remind me of like a neutral type pink, if that's such a thing. Not Ashamed is a nice glitter polish. See, look at that, look at pretty. So guys, here are the colors swatched, 2 coats each with the Nail Reserve top coat in cured. Again, these are 30-second cured polishes, and I always like to put my swatch sticks up to my skin just to see how it look, and I think that these colors would look good against my particular skin tone, or probably any skin tone. It just depends. And so I'm just kind of messing with my lighting there just to see if you can capture the different shades of pink, which you could see them at that point. So we're going to get into this mani. So I chose to do a mani with the color Freedom. I applied base gel polish. Well, I applied peel off base coat, allowed that to dry, applied Nail Reserves, the base, cured for 30 seconds, and so I'm using Freedom. I'll apply 2 thin coats to my nail, and then I have White Addict, which again, that's from when the company was called Nail Addict LA. I will be applying that to my middle finger. And so guys, just hang out with me while I do this gel polish application. So guys, after I cured the second coat for 30 seconds, I'm going in with some water decals. You guys know I love me some water decals. So I've already cut it out, and this is Happy Haunting from Poshy Nail Designs. And so I'm spraying it with water on a paper towel, and I'm gonna go in while I'm waiting for the water to help the decal release from the paper. I'm going in with Nail Reserves, the base, and applying that to my middle finger, and I will cure for 30 seconds. So after curing, I'm just removing the excess water, picking up the decal with the stamper, and I will apply that to my nail. Now my nails have grown a little bit. It's time to chop them down a little bit more, and so I'm just moving that decal around. When you use gel base, you do have the opportunity to move the decal around, and so it didn't fit my nail fully, especially at the cuticle area, and so of course I'm going to go in and cover that up. So I'm just smoothing out that decal. I'm going to go in with a nail brush and some acetone and remove any excess on my skin and the free edge and side walls of my nails. But look, I thought they went perfect with the color Freedom. I thought it was so pretty. Little jack-o'-lantern or scarecrow in the background, little mild kind of Halloween set. So after I got the decal where I wanted it to be, cleaned it up, I'm going in with base gel polish, and I'm going to cure, and then I'm going to apply top coat to all 5 nails and cure for 30 seconds. And with this particular top coat, I do have the no wipe top coat and regular top coat that you have to wipe off with alcohol. So this set I did use Nail Reserves the top, and after curing it, you do have an inhibition layer that needs to be cleansed off the nail with the lint-free wipe and alcohol. And so that's what I'm going to be doing coming up, and it's a nice shiny top coat. And so guys, off camera I did apply some cuticle rhinestones. This is black diamond, I think black diamond shimmer. I've had these for quite some time. I thought they went perfect, so I applied those to my middle finger and the cuticle area and cured for 60 seconds. I just used some jewelry gel. And so guys, here is the finished look. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. So I thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week.